Hello, this is Mark Grant from Schneider Electric. I created this short video today to discuss a feature that was talked about in a recent meeting, and specifically the feature is showing how a control room operator can navigate from the active alarm page directly to the graphical page that we have shown here. This is a feature that is straight out of the box. When we visited, we weren't quite sure how to do it. We've got some more information now, so thought we'd create a little short video as to how to do it. So we've got an alarm here on a protective relay and an alarm here on a control valve. So if we go over here to the active alarm page, we see that we have two alarms, and again, this control valve and the protective relay. So let's click on the protective relay, and you notice that we have a feature here called Help. Information Disable Alarm. Specifically, if we click on Help, it brings us directly back to the page. And if we were to click on the control valve, right click it, we see we don't have the Help feature enabled. What that Help feature allows us to do is go right directly from the active alarm page, the main alarm page, directly to the page where it's located. So, feature's simple, straight out of the box, but how is it done? So let's go take a look at the engineering environment. So what we've got here is the virtual layout of the plant. It's been broken down into CCM, instruments, calculated signal sequences, and valves. So if we open up the device page, we see that this is where the protection relay is located. Let's go ahead and open up the protection relay control block, which this is it. And we can see that we've got the control element of the block and we've got the supervisory element of the block, which is the HMI. So we go over here to where the tags are for the supervision, and we notice that there's something called Help for Device, Help for Device Communication Alarm, and Help for Failure Alarm. So when we look at Help for Device Warning Alarm, we see that we've got the word summary there, in communication alarm summary and failure alarm summary. This is the area where, when we were building our project, we simply type in the particular page that we want to see that alarm, or where the alarm is actually residing. On the other hand, if we look at the valve page, and there's control valve 1, remember this is one of the other alarms, and let's go ahead and open up the control block for the valve and go to the valve tags. We see, however, Help of the confirmation alarm, Help of the failure alarm, Help of the alarm event, and you'll notice that these are empty. If I wanted to be able to display where this alarm was coming from, I would simply type in the actual name of the page, summary, and save it, and then that particular alarm would have that Help feature loaded. So again, by simply going to alarm, the active page, alarm, we see the Help feature, and there you have it. Now, one of the other things I wanted to do real quickly while we have you here is just to go to the alarm summary page, and if I were to click on any of the alarms, you'll notice I get the option for comment. So this allows me to enter a comment for that particular alarm. The other thing to notice is while all those alarms are on the active page, the latest 3 alarms show up right here. Anyway, I hope that's of help. The feature is straight out of the box. There are no tricks, and basically it's very simple to program. Thank you. I hope this answers some questions from a couple of weeks ago.